So I think if you're going to use a design build firm, you have to recognize that there are some trade-offs. One of the enormous advantages is in efficiency. You do completely eliminate a communication step between the architect and the builder general contractor. When we wanted to change something about this design, we called Brent. Brent would snap it, quote it, and was going to build it. And it just happened without any interruption in the build out or any delays at all. In fact, we were several months ahead of schedule in completing construction of this house. When does that ever happen? On the other hand, you have to have an extremely high degree of trust in that individual because, as I think I mentioned, you don't have an architect checking the builder and a builder checking the architect. And I think if you're doing a very expensive project, there's a potential benefit in having two different professionals or two different professional firms sort of bouncing things back and forth and making sure that someone's checking the other's work. So if you're going to go with a design build firm, make sure that it's someone you trust, someone that you think is going to continue to execute the way you want it to be executed. In our case, we're not designers, we're not builders, we're not carpenters. I barely know which end of a hammer is which. So we had to trust that when Brent said, this is the way this is going to work, that it was going to work that way. In the end, it did, and it did so very smoothly, on budget and ahead of schedule. So I think if you want those advantages, find a design build firm that you can trust and go with it.